sum of cubes of natural numbers. So, meron tayong sum of squares. Ngayon naman sum of cubes. So, ibig sabihin, naka-raise to 3 yung natural number. So, may formula pala yan. Formula niya is n squared times n minus 1 squared over 4. So, example natin, n is equal to 5. So, 5 squared times 5 minus 1 squared. So, 5 minus 1, 4. Square mo yung 4 is 16. So, 25 times 16 divided by 4. So, that would be 400 divided by 4 is equal to 100. So, kung ang n mo is equal to 5, ang sum of cubes niya is 100. So, yan yung sample natin para pinakamadali. Well, ito parte ng counting theory, di ba? Counting theory to, natural, parang number analogy na parte din ng automata language and theory. No, part ito ng automata language theory na minsan nauuwi sa mathematical induction. So, sa mga nagko-comsci, ito yon. So, butit na pag-aralan natin. May ganun pala, nalimutan ko. So, it's just a recall. Mabutit na recall natin yan para maging okay. So, yun lang po.